Hi, I'm DeWayne Long. I'm the National Sales Director in Empower Brokerage. Thank you for spending time with me today. I want to discuss with you our upcoming road shows. We call it Elevate and Connect because by elevating your performance with strategies and also making connections, you're going to make a lot more money. We're going to talk about some lead programs that are at no cost, a fact finder, how to create some cross-selling opportunities, ask the right questions, the power of you utilizing social media. And then we're going to talk about a tremendous trip that you can qualify for in 2024. Here's the challenge. Most agents nationally don't know how to create content, create wordsmithing, don't understand frequency, reach, the rule of 7 to become a dominant player. They don't understand reciprocity and all the other technical things. We made it simple. I'm going to make you a guarantee. If you will take time to come to this meeting, we're going to elevate your financial wherewithal in 2024, more than $40,000. We look forward to seeing you in one of these meetings.